God's intervention. And I'm waiting upon the Lord. And I will continue to cry to God Almighty. Because I believe in Him. I am here to beg the whole world to please help me. Help me, I'm a woman. I'm a woman who fell in love. Who met a man and fell in love. Not knowing the heart of a man. You all have been seeing the situation that is going on social media. I have been condemned, I've been destroyed, I've been bullied. So many things have been said about me, of which none of them are truths. But however, my plea to all of you is, whenever you see my video on earlier platform, everybody help me report that page. Report the video, report the pages. It took all these pages away from me, which is very obvious. I built them. I took my time, day and night, to work, just to build all the pages, 8 pages. Today, Eliab has taken it away from us, in your own eyes. This is social media where one can easily get help. And I believe you will render me this help until something will be done. Please, before any action is taken physically, kindly help me report all his pages. Even though he claimed I'm paying you guys 2,000 naira, of which you that is watching me, you know, I have never contacted you. I have never paid you a dime, let alone 2,000. Help me report his pages. Please help me report Melia Entertainment page, Elibo Osifo page, which is used to be KO Kids page. Reports KO Production. These are the pages he's putting all my videos, copyrighting them. It is not fair that I am working so hard. I have 5 children to feed. It doesn't even care about monarchy. It doesn't care how she's doing. All Eliab wants is my downfall. Please help me report these pages. And another information I want to give here. Despite that Eliab is using Loam TV to saga me, to bully me and my children, using Nelly Gold to saga me and bully all my children, using so many other bloggers to fight me, it is only Chacha Beauty that is standing by me to debunk everything. Chacha, my sister. Eliab sent policemen from Benin today to get her arrested. But to God be the glory, she was not in her shop. What did they do? They took someone who have similar look like Chacha. But like as I'm talking to you, the girl is released and they still want to pick Chacha. Now, I don't believe those people are truly policemen. Maybe Eliab is about to take Chacha's life. Eliab is dangerous. More dangerous than you and I think. More dangerous. Eliab is dangerous. Eliab Osifo and his entire family, including the father and mother, are dangerous. They are extremely dangerous. Know that now. Please, we have to stop Eliab. Everybody, the whole world, you guys have to support me to stop Eliab. I know what I went through in this house. I am only even thanking God that he was unable to take my life, because this is exactly the case that would have been at the end of the day. But thank God for my smartness. Thank God that I was intelligent enough to realize where he is going. I thought to myself, this problem is not getting better. This man is not going to change. He's even doing worse. I started seeing a lot. Everything started unveiling itself. And I thought to myself, it is time for me to separate myself from him. Otherwise, I will be under 6 feet. My children will become motherless. For that reason, I took action immediately, but by asking him out of the house. Please, guys, I need your help. I beg you in the name of God, whenever you see my videos on earlier page, continue to report the pages. Report it with reckless abandon. And if there's anyone there that can help, please help. Please help. All he wants is my tears. But you, my fans, said I shouldn't cry. Please help me. Help me, this is unbearable. All I do is create my own content. I teach. I have fun. I dance with my kids. I make my videos. Eliab took everything away from me as if that wasn't enough. He came to laugh at me that I forfeited so much for him. I made a fool out of me. I'm still holding on and trying to be strong. Yet he continued, in your presence. In your presence, Eliab is doing this. And I know someone is out there. I know you can do it. I know someone is out there. I know there is someone out there who can rescue me and my children from the ends of this Eliab. I know someone is out there. And if you are out there, rescue us, because this is no longer funny. Eliab brought Esther out there to saga me and my children. I haven't done anything. But this is a woman, they say she's wicked. She's this, she's that. If I had to be that wicked, I would have gotten her arrested. I don't fight my battle by myself. I need God's intervention. And I'm waiting upon the Lord. And I will continue to cry to God Almighty. Because I believe in Him. I know sooner or later, someone will come out there and help me. Help me with my 5 children. Help me with my 5 children is all I ask.